Yeah, the Nyamias. But your network and still your issues kakra. But a Jarinum any recharge nominate technicians in the air tribe. Sisana Facebook no kura demoana. Esate kwebadi kase yo masaye. Ama nasa benti mo Facebook ni mesre ena de mo de beche na ya ne kakrakra mo de beche because you find it difficulties pa wa ha enye easy at least social media team no any technicians in na air force say you betimi enya the best e de amamti mo fanche ne nya ne kakrakra sa yelim sem de pom no de bia betutum kama obi
yeah nana
and no so man
yeah absolutely na minim san kan na kra no be show Jesse no because afi this time
obi se
and I can say na dia ka o ma hu so red devil
se
and I still now
come on game no born no me se come I can pay news but se ni pa na ka come news Chelsea na dia be show na no ka se be show Chelsea game afi kra do mu di she VR it say decisions and VR ni take here no say ni kwan say be ma na
well you be ram ni adi hu come but first of all a very good game in terms of historical analysis no yenim say since the 87-88 league and United nya double over Chelsea into this season no say Omasan Shomu League Cup into United actually 8 goals against Chelsea from the United perspective the man no yeah ni say at least omunya draw mo share Chelsea 4-0 omuni Arsenal draw 1-1 omuni Liverpool 1-1 and omu share Chelsea can be no more table back. Yes, they lost to Arsenal 2-0 and again they lost to Liverpool 2-0 but generally so a big club such as Manchester United yes our results be say against the so-called big six and against the big boys na ya mentally ema reputation and Bob Brea team ni jina no ema eso enti from that perspective it was a good win historically and for the status of a club such as Manchester United. Of course only gonna social chassis in a 3-4-1-2 formation. Brantef and Bruno Fernandes airball more as an advanced playmaker and Obo Marshall on the left and Obo Daniel James on the right Omo as inside forwards. Like I said and then we are see where I will media Omo mutumi boss our position because Obo wings but ono na airball 9 Sadio Mane Mbappe into unya Sadio Mane nya unya Mbappe of course Mbappe ni Sadio nya almost pretty from the left but unya Bale in his good form no ball as an inside forward from the right now unya Sadio Mane on the left simply I mean now Chelsea Mrantani hu nipa ya marke no because Obiano pretty from the flanks and about 3 back no into unya obenye obitse Luke Shaw Harry Maguire and ya Brantford and Eric Bailly now unya Brendan Williams as a left wing back now Brantford Freno Aaron Wan-Bissaka Sobo as a right wing back a game where the edikan I was your ball Manchester United for defense no actually hono because Maguire nya goal onya winning goal no and a second goal no the assist for Anthony Martial first goal nefi Brantford Aaron Wan-Bissaka it was a very good cross and Brantford Eric Bailly say be bosumi edunie the first start when you Manchester United and senya osi gina actually hono na ya dia so any papa ye and Brantford friend Bailly no senya osi handle Pedro so generally senya osi handle Pedro no na ya dia so a game where a sense Man United and concede no ma unya a ratio mu say actually hono there say stability kakra so yaba Bruno Fernandes so my hunra say ne transfer from Lisbon to Manchester no Adiana Red Devils na muhia papa ye yes ne performance na ko say Victoria na Adebayor performance for Interlice and Milenkovic Savic send osi ball Lazio against Inter but none dia no say more of a low key sublime performance modemon was robot enye modemo bia na hu bebre he did the simple things for example movement one touch football and sana ball no crab Bruno Fernandes or no ni baby ball no echo sa intelligence no Sergio Busquets no na Luka Modric no and the crash intelligence no positioning otumi tin ho ko gina baby no age pass no no asa me who in the game 90 minutes Bruno Fernandes J-ball that's which na baby ojina na oji ya no movie the passing ball control and of course goaler Harry Maguire share no so no on the boss sa corner kick no so ball free kick bi e game ni mu a na chese hu papa ye it is a Man United driving from set pieces et minya be 15 goals in a season there at least and of course Ketsi players with Harry Maguire nominate Bruno Fernandes no e be ade e be so any papa ye but again United fan when be say beyond the results say goals ni me nyina no ye mrantianity and the premier and maybe they are working a lot more on crosses and headers or training and also ya dia ba ko energy sem ana utumi sampa there's a bit of progress in that direction those were the few highlights obetumi aka say of that was a typical United performance mentally and of course difference never because in terms of possession Chelsea are close to 61.1%. And again, Chelsea out of 17 shots, and just one shot on target. It's about the man who's a defense, no so no more demono eso any papa ye. But for Chelsea, dear, nukre woman say VAR timing, no of course decisions by the VAR, mini problem here with those decisions. But seriously, say United for chef first goal no 45th minute I echo half time. Now Chelsea for bomb home modern move free half time aba abeshe goal 56 minutes VAR say anya correct Cesar Piliqueta a player bi. Now Manchester United a share second goal in the 66 minutes. Now maybe 30 minutes later 79th minute no Olivier Giroud at aside goal back one and also no na VAR say anya goal there. I think mentally no especially with Giroud disallowed goal no there's absolutely no way a team my friend Chelsea able to me about grown him and time my Jan Giroud goal no and out to me some I think to a large extent Chelsea for a lucky leaders kakra because under normal circumstances Chelsea side yes John Terry Wohol Benya Frank Lampard Namu Didier Drogba and all of that of course your players we say Gattuso your players Zlatan Ibrahimovic Steven Gerrard even to an extent the day or more players are more tough mentality it's a VAR crackers here and goal almost they can still react but in Rano with Cesar Spiliqueta all of those guys so the reaction from the VAR decision was not there. So your coach now Chel Mrantia there make footballers are now strikers. Now per se omusia there in terms of you miss a chance, you know. Say you can poor finishing part there. Now, Brian Tefen Mishu Bashuyai, or my young Sampa, your strikers be or Bemo Abokai, or yeah, they are Bemo Abokai, a serious challenge. Because look, 17 shots in total, one shot on target. Now, interestingly enough, I'll check it from week 20 of the Premier League. The number of shots, the number of shots at Chelsea as a football club. In week 20, about 4 shots. Week 21. Week 20 was against Arsenal, about 4 shots. Week 21 against Brighton, about 5 shots. Week 22 against Burnley, about 8 shots. Week 23 against Newcastle, about 4 shots on target. Week 24 against Arsenal, about 8 shots on target. Against Leicester City in week 25, about 3 shots on target. And I know about 1 shot on target. Chelsea scores either 2-0, 1-0, 1-1. There's a problem, and I was say opinion friend Frank Lampard. Yes, creativity in terms of even chances created, big chances created. Our Premier League in Chelsea for Tosumiensa, but between Olivier Giroud and Mishu Bashuyai. I seriously I don't mean who the entire Bashuyaya was so ahead of Olivier Giroud. And well, you say sometimes the strikers will have a bad day in the office, but a major challenge I was Frank Lampard including the Chiron because Kadzuma apart from Rhys Nelson in my estimation, Rhys James Cesar Spiliqueta I was Chelsea Chiron so and Willy Caballero Marshall had you go no or Tony so we be just say okay one but Chelsea bigger problem your away performance. Yet when they are playing at home, they are quite more demon also, but away because sorry, home one a problem or see the home performance National League now and Chelsea for to do me because in 13 away in home games no, winning 5, draw 3, lose 5, and now goal difference of +2 and 18 points. See the away performance National League now Chelsea for 9 matches about 30 matches winning 7 and draw 2 lose 4 and share 5 goals in terms of 5 goals as in difference and 30 points into Stamford Bridge na nkasano ya kakra few hono because Chelsea more of an away performance in terms of assist say ball no say nipo lead assist to Chelsea boboko Mason Mount 4 assists this whole season. 4 assists this whole season. And in terms of assists, Calvin De Bruyne with 15, Trent Alexander-Arnold with 10, Mahrez with 7, David Silva with 7, Jack Grealish, Mo Salah, Heung-min Son, João Moutinho. Chelsea for no possess it all right, but who create a chance no now who start finish no a problem. Who checking league no class year. Chelsea for 43 goals. Oma conceded 36. Goal difference of +7. Leicester or goal difference of +28. That's Man City or goal difference of +36. And Liverpool, the almighty Liverpool, goal difference of +46. Even Spurs or Chelsea, goal difference of +9. 2 more than team my friend Chelsea. Chelsea are conceding. They are not creating chance. Share goals, but possessing one fifth. And only the only attribute and quality what the Bema team my friend Chelsea. Of course, they missed Tammy Abraham, N'Golo Kante absence, but Mason Mount cranu my Niger Babo ni mukaka. But I'm sure sir. Chelsea next games against Spurs and Chelsea games the money who say the modimo fear in Swani only Spurs bebo fear only Bayern bebo fear no akwa way to Bournemouth no Sansuni Liverpool bebo fear and San only Everton and San bebo fear dia say modimo no fear no Swani no e ma fixtures na what Chelsea anim no e ma no the money who cry say in the last 14 games Chelsea lose 7 and ma keep it just 7 clean sheets in their last 36 games in all competition this season. Yes, you say one major reason is Kepa Arrizabalaga, but yes, to me 40 Willy Caballero bebre. But goals at Chelsea share is Man United share, especially the Harry Maguire corner kick. Yes, quality free. Bruno Fernandes but at this level, no. Oh, yes, you say Harry Maguire a top player, but I thought it was a cheap goal to concede. Time for Chelsea to and you panic. There's no point panicking because they have a very young team. So when you have the experience of the DJ Drogba, the Michaelesians, the Lampards, the John Terry, and was all Kedzuma, nominate Tammy Abraham, and Mateo Kovacic, Mason Mount, unfortunately, Hudson Odoi injured. I was all Sam Rant any time. No to me developing to those qualities and our personalities are the years back under Jose Mourinho. Now Ranteno, but a result are mentally pushing United, and of course, key signing Bruno Fernandes say no me sure say Nanajo or da papa ye nana league na cap that's na super yes no and the UEFA Champions League, and there's no better way to start the Champions League than to have a game at the Metropolitano involving Atletico Madrid and a team my friend Liverpool. Of course Liverpool win the Champions League no last season Metropolitano honti say hono kwa fia anisa the magu can say we so dance so ayonkofa a dasronko that teams me no wentem Rafa Benitez wo El Nino wo na Liverpool player bi kofa no free Atletico Maxi Rodriguez. So there's this established relationship between these two sides. Now the Liverpool for enya adwin bi say Kianiki na nwumre the Atletico Madrid the Chibeka form they say you 2 legs say you go home and away in the last 10 and that club Liverpool in free muda nti ema game no very very interesting because in the Champions League in Pempi no ulusu ofia and especially to a side such as Liverpool ema game no mu den kakra ema. The good news for Atletico no say over the weekend 2-2 draw omunya against Valencia. Alvaro Morata to me ball kakra because João Felix and Diego Costa in fact Diego Costa this week we're training kama nti minim say wan hwe obetumi anya be 15 or 25 minutes bi obetumi abo but generally in the absence of these three strikers no or the Vitolo near Brantford Angel Correa and a boy anymore. Angel Correa the top goal scorer for team and friend Atletico Madrid with 7 goals in terms of the assists in the Spanish Premier League. Top goal scorer Alvaro Morata 10 goals in all competitions. Himself for Atletico the omo bofie no they'll go for a 4-4-2 formation. One of the best goalkeepers in the world is Jano Black. Minim said then ober risky Jose Jimenez because on this way because acquire usual partnership between Stefan Savic and your branch friend of Felipe. Renan Lodi. So Renan Lodi. Esbet me about 3 or 3 Panarese and about from Brazil no from our Atletico Madrid team nimu. Unfortunately, there's no current Trippier. Enti a weakness no. Can right back position okay. Santiago Arias and the Benjamin midfield Obenya Pate Obenya Marcos Llorente most likely say Obenya Koke and your branch friend Saul now Morata Obo on the right side of the 2-man attack for team and friend Atletico. Now there are key battles we need to watch out for because Alvaro Morata badia Emma complexion of game Mrs. Sakakra only Van Dijk Nesi Akai so Van Dijk and Joe Gomez in their last 11 Premier League games some conceded 1 goal. Now it's important to note, so Liverpool lose just an away game, 1 away game the whole season. 1 away game. I guess it was against Napoli in the Champions League first game of the season for Liverpool. The mentality is still the same. Alvaro Morata to me for airball. Himself Van Dijk to me for airball. It's an aerial battle because a lot of the crosses will be coming to the box. But I want to rate Van Dijk slightly over Brantford and Alvaro Morata. In fact, Adebakukra was Atletico for a year and he said Van Dijk has 4 goals this season. It's also to me Bananim to me Ashes goals no. Now on the wings because I grown the brainer because 1-10 wa you say Liverpool the 4-3-3 Sado man in Salah. Now Firmino bo more as a false 9. Inti for Atletico Madrid no on Benya Renan Lodi on the left plus Saul Nugas. Sa partnership on the left no. On money a branch for the Trent Alexander-Arnold or 10 assists. Only Mo Salah or 20 goals in all competition plus 6 assists this season no. On money be press left for Atletico or right wing for team friend Liverpool and him say Lord dear why quite say Marcelo Anissa but Saul no I was say Saul one because Salah Trent Alexander one flank there and ya be agura that form and of course on the other flank you have Robertson who has also 6 assists and of course Sadio Mane with Sadio Mane also has 7 assists on that flank against Arias honona Liverpool for be issue Brantford Santiago Arias flank on the on be issue papa ye Stefan Savic ne Felipe die partnership of course the bigger strength nipa ne ho den with defense opa a goalkeeper Jano Black but dia back on me sure say Diego Simeone be dwen ho bebre no ene ho na be Mark Firmino obeja Marcos Llorente and obema Felipe because Firmino no ono 9 no ono as obo 10 or obo 8 or obo 7 into marking that plan. Interestingly enough Firmino 10 goals ni 10 goals our season we mu nyina no away goals into against Atletico no or some motivation no and so man to me an answer to who will mark Firmino nedia
okay
Klopp akasembi
obi now
yes me be predicting am come him Klopp akasembi say omu game against Norwich no Norwich for more the best preparation because Norwich for no Odimu Adebakwa me bompa say say you be na Salah pra anam because nano Atletico for no I mean very organized in central midfield and of course counter team omo team wa omo use counter no into Norwich my Liverpool for who the sort of tester omo unfortunately again for Liverpool, almost about 3,000 tickets out of 68,000. And since he be a Metropolitano in 2017, Atletico Madrid they lose just 5 games. And unfortunately, Atletico Madrid for no share goals be brave. Who check your results now? Said this season, no share 3 goals in Premier against Ieba, against Leganés, and at Barcelona. Sa Super Cup no kobo or Saudi no. But you see, Atletico ye team against the big boys. So much share Barca. Barca no much share mono. And the Maya Palma Ernesto Valverde. I am Pempino. Simeone war Vimbia. Akasi for the Buffy or Guardia or person ye be no beer who's ampa. Honestly, a coach, of course, he's a world-class coach. But the game will be won in central midfield. Jordan Henderson, I was impressed with Naby Keita's performance. Jordan Henderson, Naby Keita, one of them. I just hope say Patebenyani day, you know, a very good day because this is the game, this is the Champions League, and Sepate to me Jinasua. Then at least a good press for Ghana. But Nana, Liverpool a strong team, too strong, you know, very very strong side. In fact, Michel Atletico, Real Madrid, I felt said mentally they are drained because Champions League no matter last season Juventus too much quality for Liverpool.
But this is UEFA Champions League.
Absolutely. And Jano Black, I mean, born rapport, you know, because Black, no, Nana, maybe a Van Dijk difference. Corner kick, be not Van Pine. Mamiani too. For Liverpool away win. Yes, away from home.
Okay, Echo Amwesi. Also, good morning, Anajima. Also, tell Obi tries. It was nice meeting him last week in Accra. Also, we are listening to you live in our office here at Multimedia Premises. Greetings to Ayala. Pause is all over the office. Okay. Yachiamu na Joy FM for ne Asempa Adom ene Joy TV phobia mo multimedia office we na no pay yachiamu na e won kran. Se ohun ye de. Eno ya se Chelsea so what? Announce. And Manchester share Chelsea 2-0.
Yes.
And Chelsea so komo ye wiem ba via ni e kan no kore.
Okay.
And no say Giroud he then home pinball to net and why offside. Not the boot and why offside. You're queen Mayala.
Liverpool sharing.
Liverpool.
Social Liverpool, and I think say is the most difficult job in football. How to beat Liverpool. A puzzle be every football coach finding a way around it. It's difficult. Yes, Napoli and Carlo Ancelotti actually Liverpool this season. But so they are not touching. I think say even a new crown. So I can say Ancelotti mefa Napoli now from Liverpool or Bejatum say to repeat Safit, you know, will once again be very very difficult to do again. And Diego Simeone in Emranti, no, a face with the most difficult puzzle in football and then one Metropolitano. And omobe testi omo ho ahwe so we metimi adise adwuma to beat Liverpool 1 I also oppress Fabinho and Jordan Henderson senebeya omunya comfortable in almost central midfield role na omo bono na omo started transition no na omo make Liverpool very very dangerous on the counter attack the tosuminu Abanti efend Jorginho Wijnaldum the runs now year from midfield no to attack no so wa mo wani anko ho a broni fe bibi elusive no babo so on the driving team no from finfin ho nyina ekọ nanim enti e wo so o chase ni baby obekọ bia na odi wani ehwe no the atoso miensa e wo so o block o lateral areas ne say space bebre me da ho e masala ne money entimi nya sa freedom no to operate from that space no na say wa ma space na me da ho a ade abako a o say ye biema etia Liverpool so betimi aye dangerous against you and say Trent Alexander-Arnold and Abanti Efend and the Robertson enya kwanya emba na nimbebre because there's no space already for even Salah and Sadio Mane. The atoso miensa emma Abanti a friend of Firmino enya sa little spaces because o block laterals ho na na say Salah any man in your space no Trent Alexander-Arnold no Roberts in your space na ene na be dia ma Branty FN Firmino say obe you see the movement na ya o ye we anim ho any no hold that play no any no intelligent flicks any sa small passes no ebetimi a hetel then head there say wo won sakabo na adia ba kwa club training Liverpool to do very very well e omo pressing no omo ma ohome ma so mo obo no and it's always so Liverpool adia to so bi ma so ye ni ye and say you have to be confident and intelligent to play through omo press na omo be press no. Then finally our concentration on set pieces must be 100% because a corner better free kick better na Van Dijk mo bo manimu a ono plus Jordan Henderson plus Abranti FN Sadio Mane could hurt you with set pieces. And these are the things you need to do. Some person solving the puzzle of the most difficult job in the football and it's a Ocean Liverpool. But say Oscar ni Europa. Na say o petima e what the characteristics are. E betimi yes anu ma we nyina ye. Na o ma stand a chance so betimi compete with Liverpool. I think the team have Atletico Madrid eka ho. And the simple reason why Atletico Madrid eka ho and they say I think say open one of the teams are ubetimi e do last corner to mo say tactically say game me be so now we hear team and was say oye discipline I think say Atletico Madrid is one of the teams. They are tossing you say open team and was say onya mental fortitude throughout the two legs na say mentally adrenaline him you betimi asake the up say and was say ye bibia or park no so within this 180 minutes plus even if you be extra time akobo penalties to make sure say be win time na mentally Diego Simeone ni Atletico Madrid for that track said they are one of the teams that obetimi edo ho atom so then look to be able to do all this job and get results against Liverpool you need to be physically fit na stamina wise no adebi a was wrong and I think say one of the things Atletico Madrid team bi Diego Simeone a coach bi no omo physically they are very very fit and almost stamina levels no and I was through then the last thing is to get the dynamism say game ni koswa Liverpool akwan ofa so sesa ne ho park na so at a point in time bo asa Salah akwa kosham na asa obo nine na Firmino abam fifi bi abi kwa bobo no midfield you need to strategize and also value tactics as and when a Liverpool ever done ne ho and team my friend Atletico Madrid I want the men to be very very dynamic at any point in time in the game and omo coaching so I think say the reading of the game no e ade bi e was for and to say o petima when you what's our year against Liverpool to stop them. Now all scanning around Europa. I think say based on characteristics, team friend Atletico Madrid is one of the teams a bit my now, how do you press Fabinho, Jordan Henderson, and chase Jorginho Wijnaldum around in the midfield? No, say who player be Marcos Llorente, Thomas Partey, Koke Resurrection, and Saul Niguez. As a 4-man midfielder, the thing you will have to do, and me so said Diego Simeone, every year our game woman say, you just have to give one man to Jorginho Wijnaldum. Say, look, he is the guy who carries the Liverpool team. Say, any long pass at Jordan Henderson, Mobaba, and Fabinho Mobaba, open career of the ball, Wijnaldum na yes I do made anymore. And to Mr. Marcos Llorente, making sure say whenever Obeje bonus or they driving forward, no. And man yes say tactical foul you just do on him now what is the tempo of the real Liverpool team debate me about say unya the Marcos Llorente Jorginho Wijnaldum then in terms of pressing Fabinho and Abranti FN Jordan Henderson the rest of the players in Thomas Partey Koke Resurrection and Saul Niguez everything is okay now in blocking the lateral spaces for team FN Liverpool look say Santiago Arias say Simi Visako and a bubble right back. Say Renan Lodi and a bubble a left backer. Say Oja you made any ball right back and left back in Kwaso. So blocking the lateral spaces against a team like Liverpool. An impossible job for them to do. Because they are Trent Alexander-Arnold and the Roberts so back and you move overloaded in those spaces, you know. And here left come Madrid team. Omo show how compact they've been, and anytime Atletico Madrid are far in the Champions League, who's a team very, very compact. You could see the lines, no? And then so omo come him now Liverpool try to attack them. Sir, omo discipline. So omo be recover them. No omo aye behind the ball in numbers. No more blocking spaces, no, should be one attribute they need to uphold very, very well with a lot of concentration. About Tebisa Thomas Tepote, Anya require who how versatile are. At a point in time, Diego Simeone Wabotuda. He must be very, very conscious. So bet him either Santiago Arias, Adasa Simi Visako, Sabon Eko, baby Asadio Mani Wano, now or come pressure. Abranti FN Marcos Lorente, and Akoke, or even it's Abranti FN is our own West. Because at a point in time, at Atletico Madrid this season especially, Serena Lodi Pra, Saon West na Diego Simeone, Emma no Cobol left back no, and so left back no abuni ye, no abo branch of when Lodi am defending against Mohamed Salah. Saon West must be very much aware of the defensive duties, especially when they have to defend and block the lateral spaces. No,
okay.
But they can say, look, Firmino. The reason why club will continue to say tactically, he is the most important player for Liverpool. And almost system no more bono. And they say you need a whole defensive network to stop Abrante and Firmino. So obey impact Liverpool team no. And you say okay, Savage and I say Felipe. When they have Firmino movement, now I'm stopping. Okay, so yes, sir. What Firmino does very, very well, and he say the center back say on Makina. Because of the movement, he will end up drawing the center back from the position. Not the work confused for no just space for national money. About the former Bobo and Nassau. And you don't need to do that. Say center back be any Firmino, it is a networker. I also will make sure say your defensive network will do very, very well with Abrante and Firmino. Any day we will see Bono. Say, who person will go through Liverpool press now? I think say the player bet in started say Jumadiano, Diego Simeone, Yankasi Abrantie, Odumasi Abrantie, friend Thomas Tepote. Because the moment you get the ball, expect Liverpool to start running at you. So much on the back. And it's a open say with me ball. Now to me, holding on to more press now. You need to be confident and you need to be very, very intelligent with the ball control. No? And I think so that is one thing Abrantie friend Thomas Tepote. I just only me papa ye. So ultimately any Liverpool for every sa omu defensive midfield or press in there. Then Koke sa own guas over to me. I hold on to the ball. Then try to find Abrante friend Diego Costa and I say Korea Moni Moratamo. So Abrante friend Thomas Tepote will be very, very crucial for Team FN and Atletico Madrid for any transition in going through the press of Team FN Liverpool. Makasa look, the man Liverpool for we move back up and say. Ubetimi no mabo toe to toe, very, very concentrated on the way omubono. Now I very, very compact ewe chile. But one set piece beba corner kick, one se Van Dijk maba, no be head ball na show. Samuel Diego Simeone, Samuel Savage, you are Felipe, Namo Thomas Tepote, any other place or more heighter. I think that one thing I will tell Atletico Madrid for say we shouldn't concede from set pieces and in that game. Minimara, you see Diego Costa started training. Alvaro Morata bad game against Team FN Valencia. But Korean Vitolo started up front for Team FN Atletico Madrid. Against Liverpool, you need your best players in the game. I'm suspecting say Alvaro Morata will start the game with either Korea and I say Vitolo. Now Diego Costa every bench but this is Diego Simeone. So Ogini say Diego Costa match fitness will be starting game now. I will not be surprised will be thrown into the game so Uncle started because of the way Liverpool for the beating Yabono. So Liverpool person with Atletico Madrid. Are they also simple? They need to be quick.
Atletico Madrid.
Yes, Liverpool need to be quick.
Okay.
With Omobo anymore because Atletico Madrid once they lose the ball, they will quickly run into spaces. No matter what no more defending blocks. And it's all Jordan Henderson. You need to be quick with your passing. No.
All right.
So by the time Atletico Madrid for lose ball to you, no, Obe attack. No, some of you so very Covano. Now what take advantage of the spaces. So only slow can clear be pet. Atletico Madrid will always have about 10 men behind the ball. A bad day for you to build your attack. Nana. I think so the one Metropolitano game will be very very boring because Atletico Madrid answer them biemu bebre and Liverpool because some team stand on 2-2. 1-1 will be the results in that game.
1-1.
Yes. Well, yes, bear 1 minute on the game that because of signal
that time you catch a banner ya kan ho asem.
Oh, okay.
Why? Na yemre fi because you on semu fi na yentietie ma men kan sem nyina bom ye wi a na abadwafo mo soma bem na Honorable Isaac Esiamenra Obababa Sports Stadium say the ense kan say stadium ne de fi na ye ka say ko nyina no stadium ne yatum obi entimi wa mokoya Athletics Championship ne mo a mokobo football ne ade ne de say stadium no ntimi ko yusu biem na Honorable Isaac Kwame Esiama eba stadium yentin sema hodo a wode etu dwa say stadium no omo ha so metimi complete bi bia by October afi
In Shiraya fan.
Okay, Honorable Isaac Esiama Edie no but osa to us say Asante Koroko ne other clubs o Misu Babaya Stadium say ne yatum na so munya baabi amobola say de yetete say Kotokofo ekoyi meeting na omo ewo adwin bi say bia da achi bia baabi say bechem ana say bia baabi ti say Cape Coast ne Abrankese ho nyina no ometimi atwusu ba ko asom next home venue na no na Honorable Isaac Esiama say de ne de nyina ayi sports complex ya waye ometimi akwa use because your hoso da ho Okay, eno yensema Honorable Isaac Kwame Esiama ede etudwa enoma eno so ekoso Obabaya Stadium that Prof Chumasi eye NSC boss wono de o kanyina nse Kotoko ne Kemfazi afo we de mummia moni na ka mon sacrifice na yenye stadium ni yi na no manyina nkoyi mae
Yama Gana for Angasa. Now, we never be to say if it's resident of Danko for our sporting infrastructure there. Obebuai Yama, the Fia, and what it is sports stadium, Bekayon, now cross sports stadium renovation west, New York, Kumasi, the end, what I upon the Fia no renovation works on the cost. That is the news, the Papabono, the Nabuteka Gani area, class Yan and the Wow. Now, so no funny, I can know any clubs also traffic. Now, I have alternative arrangements. And if the video ground or 6 matches, you need big match, you can see the alternative arrangement. Other sites are with me issue. Now, if you have a contract, so it's 2 pitch, no, why you pitch, the past 10 years, since 2007, near the renovation West Pian, the group of Grandpa, a irrigation system, no, a chucky, and shoot to anything. Do on months and sign a crowd, yeah, it's me, Sunny, and say it's me, and me now, no, what is in me, the open year, and the open year, also sacrifice. Nina, in the year, in you say, almost me, I'm I would say, it's a Munya or a transport to
All right. Enti NSA boss Professor Peter Chumasi nensam eno nyame admo chena yebebo Ghana Premier League match day 11. Asante Kotoko head coach Maxwell Claude say nyame admo chena doma game na onim say enye easy die but omobo modi bia so metimi awene.
Okura ebetimi akodoma ko win the match no. There's no doubt about it. But we all know say enye easy sir.
Yo Maxwell Claude say ye nyina enim say enye easy say but ombe bom modi bia say wo mo so betimi akodoma akwene sa match no eye nsema efi Maxwell Claude enso aso ye eba ene anope na me ko Accra to focus so ye enu say nansen supporters yi enanom ko bo Bechem United game wie ye hunsem pi na ba bonten support o de ye ntie nsema ko so e wa Accra Sports Stadium no.
Yeah, they never make coach on your day. Coach in your saying, coach, we had like but let's see how they remember coach in your coach. Tactically, he was very poor. He was very, very poor in terms of statistics. But then we just give God the grace for getting that 3 points for us. So, yeah, coach, I have a last level that I got 2 days there. And how can you say has the team there by bench your problem of bench.
All right, fancy na supporters nsem ni bia omde tu Ghana after so omde Bechem United boy ebinum keka nsema koka se na kotokone as game ye kobo wa abruchire omde coach we na ekwa abruchire na no na Jay Saponse how to folk supporters so besremo coach Eduardo Dumunya abotrema no
Odum, no yen has a folk no. Saturday at a cast for a long time. Who win match now, who win our boys. So when boys say I make a ball, ye coach, because boys in a bubble and ye coach no. Ye coach now or Kakano. And to go for me. I drove my heart to get Okeku as executive council. And then my cousin. And I say it's a good omen for Ghana football. If he's able to do this, I'm saying in the next 4 years now, and now nobody will challenge him. He will go unopposed because I but watch your friends because your friend can be your enemy.
All right, and yes, some coach Jay Saponedi tuja. Has in sense some yebesa basu bi yebesa basu na okay Opariado so kasai edefa supporters no more mo ye edefa coach ne ho nsensem nyina no yentie ensem Opariado supporters no se coach ne nya de empamo ne ade ne yentie Opari.
I have a lot of examples and commit me as but for purposes of reference, instead of now we are going to referee. We need to catch them say Jose Mourinho is a bad coach or he's an average coach. Or more now with respect to all of them. Obi and Obi to me say in the back say Jose Mourinho is a bad coach or is an average coach. 2-2, 94th minute, and so no usher the winning goal. And we are 2-2. 94th minute, and Sana has of occasion a winning goal. Why do we want to derivate our own? And can you say Mourinho? Yes, Mourinho, he can do it. He's an expert. Only nearby, say bye. But if it is our own, we say the person is so good. Sebi. Thank you, Bruno. Why is they know what they are about. Why do we want to disrespect our own? It is going for any other person that thinks like that.
Okay, and yeah, Kwame Opariado had to folk team no kasama for Nensema. One on so the 2 Ghana dada koja samwa. Kwa Asante Korokaso ya ope protocol officer ba ko no wuma. Eye Brandt onu se Nansen Patrick akụ alote koto twede ewo Accra Sports Stadium de ball Mike Essien yo support kotoko ehun sempi ba bontem asem no ye kasai ewo court na anopay dada koja samwa de nsimbi de atodwade afa ho se Brandt fa Mike Essien na se or ye de koto company for the agro as I Branton said ye no ya peso twa sem no twa chiri se say wo montiase because last time we call court no mo ye Branton am o de yentie dada kwadwa samwa
ye call edical market yan one in the bush afọ nyina ayo ye de yanya ntia se market yan one na bush afọ ene eye particular akwakodia e de free mobile so ye de ni but ye ka che o mu se na agenda ye de na ye 25 no ye be sa ko ye ko net market yan ama da no ye ni ye be issue eye press release but ye ka che o mu se that case no a taking national effect it is only obi ko sheto krom na mu ko fi so ono no wo plan na but we be to focus na that concept no course no no mo ni na se bi o se me put in the show one person say we am more friend this case can turn republic against particularity if some market and no peace say bi o no bi ko se sun akoya ya dey ente na 25 year be kokko to the market ya any na bushi afire man so maybe true go to but we are not matters and go to that the son of one and market unim say about the embassy market ya kokko na be no timi frame da me so me kokko to am friend me ba market ya that the reason why I get to support us say obi am make sure some go join circle no when your membership card but this kind of day and now that plant market ya upon trauma ya come dey do na chia tem dey you can be take matter never.
Okay, eno ye nsema dada kodwa asamwa ono so dia tujaba kotoko ho no ye tete nsem bi se National Circles Council leadership no epesom ne Dr. Kwame Cheishi ananka Sonny Yakuba ne contract on sensem tim ne papa ne tena se kasa ni nyina ne se NCC leadership no besom komu plead sen kalis kadotka on soften ne stance kakra na ontimi renew Sonny Yakuba contract because abrante no oye ne wo quality sekuta na wom susu se wanye careful na so mu gya no ema no kusia kan de makala fofo emwa ntinka mo hwese at least o metimi ne Dr. Shia nanka nkomodie bia sikasem bia no so mo NCC leadership no so betimi aboa na nkom so timi aboa no mo renew Sonny Yakuba contract ne no ensem a if you about o de ma me fa we ni sia na obi me mamram na ye hwe so fa ensem ahodo de aguo no.
Well, so if you rasi to no baby say danimu options are what them say.
And obi ka tell say if you rub so catch you say 2 at least over be 3 months.
Na say kotko ya we da. Oh, Africa ni mu nyina no mpeso mutuma na ho.
Ah, Satan me kai.
Say there ya omo ya we da. Enti eno de I mean because it should say obi onu planning. I was a shiny diary baby and I share baby say Yaka ya warning SS stadium where yes, so possibility no into yeah there was so da you say I've heard arguments here was now paying for management and money at the start of the season wouldn't last year African intina stadium no yan to me. I think sir we've got it to a stage where Kotoko should be looking at, and of course Kim Faisal or more be checking options
but obi nana kwesi jembi bi koka wa man so be say ka ne e bon komo kakra ma me nti koka e wo obi.
Okay, general manager, good morning.
Good morning.
Nampacho bi aboko there. Oh, kakra ye wom. Enrana Sports Authority they krata by of course na minister of stadium obey inspection kakra later na krata ne by say Babaya Sports Stadium a free enra course it could be around October thereabouts and they be available, and of course say ye two stadium ni mu club back one football club back one be hano one kasa uku audano Kumasi Asante Kotoko uhu krata no broni besia immediate reaction to Insemnonet say
well I met that I don't share with my pump for that 30 for Francesco and my echo to for look and yes, I let them hey, I will Sutromi no pan and I've been back at the double agon. So I say, young ball behind closed doors near the captain bar, very fine. A car young body now we do to our two, we to cry there. When young cabin in the beer. The background on the yen yen home here and as a home book will be I'm the key of a ban but I pay the money bed so you're not getting home common near quite the fast. You be a bit more security.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm sure, sir, at the end of the meeting, your options are available to the club, but paying for Kasabi or Muka, say a FIBA sign. Na so we no na and sana kwa Africa in the last 2 seasons no na namu from say ministry na na adwen so obetu Babaya Sports Stadium at least you had the information some 2 or a year ago. Is that not right? Epacho be afimi enu atwam ya kotokowura mu Africa no na ensam ne nam say minister no ene the ministry ya o madwe some be renovation e o Bayera Sports Stadium misusu say na mo nim sansem we a chesenya ene na asasem we eba.
Well, I want to buy this. That's sports council. Maybe and here say near the tournament. And I say be a room of the and can to be a number from the tournament. They make it official to us. Then around that time, no, Momutimima and this officially. Everything by now, maybe it could be a buying any idea a major story be an affair. A major issue here. It's also but I know a horse and carry not in carry. But at the same, any idea. And they would have to come up with solutions that are what I mean, a year fair which would be that is why we are meeting
Okay, me sure say Munyan Shire Kran, who as a general manager, who have a fair idea about the various options available to the club. But and some of them is our options. No, one Kasaba Bayera Sports Stadium there. MC one also do Juma as far as football is concerned. Only be braina Bayera Jane say it was a renovation cost and it has to start now.
Well, no one is against the fact that I losing the standard, and therefore, I'll say, you're innovating. It's me. No one is against that. And one will say, yeah, time is not a year long, and one will say, time is a year long. Time is a year long because the league is in session. Yeah. One is not Kotoko, you did the the nearest idea and Gassa detail be there about the attend the about oil. There's also about the major and a strategic stakeholder. The name saying I buy a year also about factor you who say young woman in Tino. It be a day in the sea and I see, but I mean that is the only problem right there. Bankers are there, say, a bias will see him a buyer there. The sure say, I think I would have been a bad decision.
Okay, very well. Now, options are available. Meaning, say, Obuasi Baye Bakon, Nanaji Abo Park, so I will be Chimsono, a bit to me a Bakon, Pajo, KNUST, Sono, some money penny for can no see option Bakon. GM Pacho options bear now available on the table. And Manimu Yasha season, yes, yeah. Or Hankasawaka send you no mercy, corner, no more, Dinkaka options near day.
What the options options in the getting the agency of the it has Yami Education was share Regency in the stadium, but everybody say that's because options may go on to not as a wolf at the also any also say well economically, and near one measure no answer continuity and accessibility. You have a veterans and you're giving me who say this option B, option A, another option B, and this time they take care of it in the bois. You need a DIAD.
Okay, Nana, that's be brain and son. I'll be calling me a short meeting. National, Monfantum penny for him say Adako Jachi assassin. Say Munya even 2,000, 3,000 capacity facility be crown in the future. You may not need a Bayera Sports Stadium for mine and our games, maybe African. Inti maybe Mwanka some facilities, some of the quite dream. All the best, boss, and I just hope say mentally, affect Kotoko team no na omo be to me akoma nim. Enjoy your day, sir.
Okay, Nana Kwesi Jembibi Kuka. na ye na kodi nko asante korokoje no manager no eje obi to aso ho ma me na me nko ya.
Well, at this material moment, what can you say? Fear as your Genadie. Say 6 match now buying the park no be maybe. Now me suspect say after 6 match no. Say Ghana, see you come here see what because e jomu tu prako just say o ma to aso na o mo de aye de o mo the di kan was here ni agitum se Barbara Sports Stadium no ehia renovation no. See ni agitum sa de a na emre a was a renovation ba so see agitum kura say renovation e hu hia na e was a baso a e was say sa so agitum say renovation no ayade a etwam is well e say na was here da say na aba na scanner ready na contract are ready. Of course, unya improved football facility. So any. Yes, one to make arguments say Inter Milan, no money, AC Milan, no crown, no more ankasa ni omu facility. But I think say Nipa ankasa no say who ye boy. Kotoko is a major club, a big brand. And number 2 cook any no. Kakra I was say Kotoko they can medium term planning. Say somebody 5,000 capacity facility be because we is Brekum Golden City Park. We share facilities be a Ghana Premier League was what. That was a good to me. Became parky, so you know, a come but a kabe bro. So options no or bossy or became or brekum but again on check this. I was almost consider factors be Boama don't take the right decision. In fact, some meeting where crown was almost the technical team they can and it's a management in technical team no I was almost Bron Bessie pick your input into this final decision. Mami science should be say Adako Jachi a project be an assassin be a dawa. Was we're not says no. We've gotten to a timer. I was like what Konanya mini stadium be obeti me di jumadi
say Kakrab
Kitwabi
Okobo Africa.
Yes, near the stadium because na Kifeza na me drain.
As Squad Deportivo Subo.
Yes, as Squad Deportivo but Division 1. But Kifeza we are bed with a fibia sign your bob by radical phaser.
But then obi penny ba catch him say so free stadium so be boom.
Oh, so na chairman de bia chairman kanu Zongo development no. So mo ya AstroTurf bi. Na bi susu sankalaji ni Habib Mustafa enini ending commona sanka umbenya ba kubia enkoye 5 aside 6 aside mo standard facility kakra na nipa be omonye sitting capacity 1,000 and 1,005 bi na Kinfeza so nko but Kinfeza there say alaji ye ni nyoma ye no ni university authorities ne kasa say Kinfeza ni supporters be brave they be hagya e moto no some be take police phone be pnema moto no badia but some pnenko adia Kinfeza need numbers no make Kinfeza because Kotoko will survive. There's absolutely nowhere. Kotoko boss way up Kinfeza is my concern and I was saying like so fun seriously anyway say Kotoko ye meeting I was saying Kinfeza where we any there and decision about who be out there Mrantie no echo for Accra to work there problems in the doorso me not you team a winning 3-2 still I was a coach there just say coach Odumi assistant coach House of Folk coach only assistant coach or training Aurora Sanopa no be training senior team avia just say and na ko support guy no ya munya butre kakra me who style of play no there 10 games into the season kayenya butre na onko be 17-18 bi ne say oh results but ya odum ya mo no so nko nanim because look coach adwuma no nya adwuma ketwa so the stress we got to opinion so I think we will need a lot more support than criticism at this material moment because has done baby we say I don't know but me who the anti or more cats I mean if I should bet me aboa me there but I call I mean message I don't want to entertain it at all I don't want to entertain it
we have because a section of supporters in the sisi akra amene e Pierre na kasan minim do mo pa Africa coach no ho coach ye NCC for anasa RCA in a quarter so mo fa team ni man mo gi team ni grant so no mo fa man woji wo ye adwuma no wa wini ba supporters ni bo unse house of folk unse ko say ye pampanyufo ye wo mo amudi mpanyufo bi achi ba house den tesa ye coaches ye wo dankan supporters that so house team no ye wo kanichi supporters that so and welcome grant supporters that so house of folk ka coach aboma to wa changes musim manafu mbobi manafu e coach ni ka say manafu ye indiscipline bi no suspend ba muso mbobi dia manafu bobi ena nanu oboma no change na manafu bobi obobi so ye wini ye ena maka na coach ni nye ena coach demiti ya class am say has ni Kimfeza for coach kasa you guys no true Kimfeza coach broni coach ja oba won wini one match kra no I see then has for no kasa so it is support is ni bi wo ha sometimes won to ma say ye the coach ba pe na yakote ho we mu against coach no we mu ta coach na chi in fact Kim Grant ba na support no ba du ba bi no ya na je so obi o kabi abi nkabi no na ba we no players aye de play ni nyina wo yusu e de year ko many player man na wo so mo fa na mra na me say da na free am board me an kasa am part of us ye de boy no me frem pan for no sa na panyin so na de boy no koye ono so wo ye man ye train no o hwa ya mu so ya de no sign no kan Kim Grant a company coach so wa ba ye wa wini wa im so wa lose 2 matches so wa win away 2 and afi no was team no e dey bion say and na becho na ya na ye say the same becho team board draw a class sports do so mo kaya ye no mo kuma sports no mo share last minute and Razak beti ye so boy no kranka ya draw ni ate afi the coach ni nya good and the tactics nya win tactics board the most important tactics wa win match so you know sometimes
we win match na so tactics here
okay eba bi I Manchester ya da no ya chinkofo ebo mutu yi ebo kaka say social the tactics enye because we win into your supporters ni bi nti saade no more supporters large of number of supporters no mutia mun fa ntu ba bi panifo no ya madwe no kra say amu pass star ma no management na
Kimfeza so ye tete say bia large group say asimfu so na Techiman
mu ba ko and say supporter bia ntumi ko Techiman
because be kwa zongo for ho pa
be kwa if academy be bia be kwa if academy board yes ko na nyina hono bia mpa nyina
ayala bem ne fa de bem ayala ai mesa ba so Ashwin ayala mamti
I think the stadium renovation there boni be say long overdue I was say abaso dada Baba after 2008 AFCON no instead of winning massive innovation which is very very bad. Titan tracks now spy stadium no a lot of cracks wash room hall obia and ho betimi ru ha koye no hu yie stadium no city no bebre tutu ebia ye de wo stadium no so stadium why fee and kasa not to say omon people but facility a check until open power said the across still how ensure that nyandika until renovation there a long overdue wasn't come in dada but I agree with Nana Koka the timing is wrong. Timing on your renovation here very very wrong, and you see a todebia a nane ka quiet dim because a government project about government sebeka say oh sika me dey be project na ready no be nti ayana sometimes it doesn't really depend on timing being the best timing timer sika na ye dey be renovation no are ready. There are even sometimes because you have to go beyond say sika na ready and look at politics and say if our manifesto mu say about stadium renovations na say our election year mu and say enye ya enkofo could use it politically against the government nti chinchina twan I was say renovation nti say a government project and as a government na take some initiative bia na factors na mo consider the doso nti was sporting industry ni mu there yes you bet ma make the argument of timing say how can you make renovation at a stadium be say Barbara Sports Stadium a hosted teams both in Division 1 and the Premier League and not in the middle of the season also close the stadium down to do renovation in terms of season and the dynamics a wrong timing but untimin kan ko achire bia say the end of the bunkum na eje and the owners are saying say look time now was say GDC was say innovation aso enti mo mpa ba bi mfa again say wo hwa teams a ebom esi aka Baba Sports Stadium say ka contribution to the facility now in terms of the maintenance any sika facilities ni ya me so say these teams are the number one especially Kotoko nti sɛ all planning ahead say oba be innovation bisana the communication with your stakeholder is very very important and the truth of the matter is say just emra ana NSA need letter esma obi ema need call kotoko secretariat or say omo be renovation of stadium more and that letter no dey abro mo take effect immediately yenye ni omasa sa woni obi ekabom na mu di dwumadie bia na sa wo se wo pese wo ye innovation wo ho ntini pa kono mpe baabi mfa ye man proud notice and 3 months kwa will be enough for Kumasa Santi Kodoka by this time and Katam Yasi and Kakotokwa making all the arrangement Kinfesa making all the arrangement as Scotty Deportivo making all the arrangement to munim say in March and I say in February Akwakusiaka Waha to make room for the renovation no. But boom sa say one why beti and say boom monje letter it takes immediate effect mumpe baby mfadie mo ya ma adwuma na e dia ma Kumasa Sante Kotoko and it can face and as Scotty Deportivo omo use sa facility no and I think say that is not the best cry e wo honum area ba nse Ghana League ni abo week 10 and a normal circumstances week 10 there e was say be any let me hear broader perspective analysis on how a league needs to go in general. But my main from I to have to focus and move for 1 minute. Look, a timer I was a Kotoko has any big clubs no more Ghana no or mujibi bitum. And I don't know munin to muna a cause problems we are a back clubs in the middle. Say oko across the water. The reason why Udru Spain pay because Real Madrid ne Barcelona money and Atletico Madrid mo ya big clubs and say omo both domestic league na omo bibia dey di man who say yes omo quality players omo supporters doso omo bigger budgets and so omo represent a crown omo both league ni wom our international tournament be say Champions League any Europa and other competitions you could see clearly say they really represent or minor in that kind of atmosphere no and how far omokono and am would you say maybe 11 and I may Champions League min could do baby Real Madrid and Barcelona could do no and that is the reason why they are bigger than me but the truth and the reality and say even with Kotoko has say omo win league no moko Africa omo performance has been very very shambolic and say Kotoko Africa and yan and see a Kotoko do group stages na Kotoko baby o makwa ma ya dia first one no mafim no maba na say first one in fimuba be chemet ma yebi Tetima 11 one bet ma yebi Liberty Professionals bet ma yebi be come Chelsea bet ma yebi and the reality is say the gap between Kotoko has any other teams now in the past na a one out in 2000 has a Champions League. They can even go unbeaten. Na so ni Ella Limuni Esperance mo ko na ebo say ya. Uye be chema woni so nyo to penny house book. Yeah. In the past na Kotoko mu were staging competition in Africa. Ebo money zone back to back no. So uye Chelsea, uye be chem, uye Liberty Professionals. Unim pepe say the Kotoko quality no e was reaching because even in Africa they represent the country very very well. But the reality is that the players are more Kotoko. No players are more has. Never compare players or more other team. Na catch them say defense ne so. Na catch them say defense ni ade so. In the last 5 years, Opa Fatu Senieni. See a fellow local blasters players. Emudu do say na ya na free Kotoko ne has ne other teams you know. So compared to all the other teams now. Last time I bought Wafu, even one House of Folk were representing 5 players. Kizito Mune, Thomas Abe Muniaim. How many still so? Na just Steven Safomo. Yeah. I don't know what you go okay. Now Steven Safomo but in Bay. Chelsea. Exactly. And the sound is a share Chelsea na Steven Safomo go. Omeka so your house in just say I think I say tactical coach na bonti na monti Chelsea. People don't know Bechem. If you really know the Bechem team, maybe someone I'm catch weekend me catch say I have spoken to coaches from Abu Bechem and they tell me say it will be a very very difficult game for her so much Bechem. You have a very good team. I said Liberty Mutie. The reason why Liberty move back Baba sponsor the Mama draw and he said they have a very good team. Liberty and check Adiana by 5 goals to 2. Look at the players of more Liberty. It is a unim opponent na unim na who are there. Ujitum sasa utum ni yachi omu di baby. But anya no crack. House of Folk starting season, you know. Look at Bono House of Folk Kubo. They quickly have to re-strategize. Go to other teams and pick Omu boys to come and augment their squad. And for the House of Folk Kofar, Nuruddin. And then vision. Omu Kofar one on that way. And then internalize. Omu Kofar for the Kasabo way. And then Liberty Professionals. So I could pick all those boys in the bar. You think the Liberty Professionals is your house. Not almost as I want to get 50. They will see him as Obia or what? Omuni in Tamu Wabia.
Omunimno.
And yet I still am on level now.
Omunimno. On say Sobeka same we are. Beche United coach Kosi Danso, Koku Danso can say Bona ye bono. And found the player in the team obo. Players need in a park in a swap. O bia infrastructure wise na hu ni say bia house so chen bichim and a house so chen liberty by your bond the field of players ni nyina hu omo so omo ye
exactly look Emmanuel Christopher Nate obokotoko just last season no ba transvisa o you ever say Kenya kotoko na beto no and a team say Liberty Sporting and ko oba and go here Liberty ba obaka so say kotoko team say Liberty bebre but if you give them the opportunity they will play and then last time kotoko so monya Busquets in Avanti FNO Richardson was playing for TT Brothers team Ewaka Uncle T boy it is Okusha Richardson no say obo ebi abechemwa. That's all about against him. Because Obo Bechamutin quality of format. The reality is that
na Victoria the Bible.
Exactly the superiority, you know. And the gap between Kotoko House and the big teams, you know, any other teams, you know, and Subium. Unless there be a teams, you know, I am ready to invest more and bring quality. You better tell you realize gap and even on the league log, what is the points gap between these teams, you know, and Omo Makano? You could see that at so, and that tells you say players in the gap on the so it is a open game against Bechem. Now so when you win, look, Mediama, any Bechem boy. And then 94 minutes. And I consider those who share. Last minute go and media man 3 points.
Also football supporters.
They have to appreciate these things. They will have to appreciate these things. It's only opponent. And kasa omunya dia na say e reti mani pakobo so e be kasa o e say twifo bia so nti ye ntwa fo mu so e na coach na sa e na we wasa e na we masa. Cheka bibia ko ye mahasa. And can start this season. So can Manuel let come house. And can some to come house. And can you do come house. And can manaf money me say support money bebo. But and those players now no make it stake for Arsenal. So come on teams like House of Okoshia Omwa. And come taking some competition against them. Or make some team in Yari.
Mate ayala mame ko break him Hashimi Ban Masaba subiem na de tie say Rocky Bewa SOT live. Ewo Columbus or high or say Kotoko Asad now. If we have two stadia, one for ana 20 Mpokura and Kenchen, ye shame to we Kotoko fans. Yao Bewa aka Rocky. All right, also the ye twa mo ba ye ba na fi ababe to so Hashimi wa ha Hashimi wi na che ye ja time na kan nyina e de ama atie form mo so be ma ha e insure 104.5 FM.